Hey, what's up, guys? Long time no see. I was off the weekend plus yesterday, Monday. I just kind of worked from the house yesterday. Yesterday, man, the phone was man, it was off the chain yesterday, Monday. I actually ended up booking some jobs. I just had a few in-home consultations come through this morning that paid for their consultation on my website. I got one down for Thursday, one down for Saturday. Also booked another job for next Tuesday. So anyway, guys, today is October the 14th on a Tuesday. We're out here in the city of Decatur, Georgia. This is the residence of Mr. and Mrs. Martin. They're moving in from Ohio. They're not here. They were here when they did their in-home consultation about a month ago, and they finally got me on the schedule today to do the wood floors. We're going to be doing about 1,700 square feet screen recoat with UV cure, also the countertops, and a few stairs and a few landings that they added today. Again, they're moving in from Ohio, so they left me access to the house, showed me how to get in, and said, Courtney, just call us when you're done, and we'll get you paid and let you lock up the door. So let me flip this around and show you what we got going today. All right, guys, so we are in Decatur. I've actually done a few townhouses in this same community. All right, so I don't know, I'm going to ask Mr. Martin. I don't know if they found me from a referral or the internet. Okay, so what we're going to be doing, guys, what they just added was this landing, these 5 stairs, and this landing. Okay, we're not going to do none of the other stairs because they're going to put runners on the stairs. We're going to do this whole main floor. We're going to go ahead and get the curtains tied up, get the vents out right here. Also going to be doing the granite countertops. Just going to clean and buff them out and polish them and seal them. You can see a little residue, you know, on the countertops, but not too bad. And they do feel kind of rough. So T is prepping right now. Let me go ahead and go up. T, matter of fact, let's grab this, and I can just pause the camera so when I get up I can just start screening. So we're going to do this whole main floor right here. All right, guys, I'm going to pause right quick. All right, guys, so this is the 3rd level. Now, they had an elevator put in, but the elevator is functioning, but unfortunately we can't use it. Neither can they, because it has not been inspected by the state of Georgia. So we're going to do this floor right here, this hallway. I think this is the master's on the 3rd. Okay, and then we're about to go to the 4th floor. All right, guys, pause. Oh, the elevator would be so nice right now. All right, watch out for the walls. And this is the 4th floor. I don't know how the last people live here without an elevator. Woo! All right. All right, guys, so this is the 4th floor. I want to start up, work myself down. Stay tuned. Woo! That was a workout.
Yeah. Decatur, Georgia, where the shine meets the grind. We ain't just clean flows. We make them glow. Clap, clap. Truman in the building. Yeah, rolling up in the van, buffer in the back. Screen Recoat, watch the flow come back. Granite on the counter, reflection so fine. Every inch polished, that Truman shine. Lights hit the flow, it's a mirror show. UV-Cure flash, then we let it glow. No wait time, one day move in. Decatur proud, let the shine begin. And clap, 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 we make it shine all day. 808s thumping while the guitars play. Hardwood gleaming, countertops clean. We the dream team, reppin' Decatur scene, yeah. Truman got the cure. UV light hitting, floor so pure. Screen Recoat, granite and more. We bring that luxury right to your door. Yo, yeah. Hit the switch, watch the light hit right. Cure so quick, it's dry tonight. Granite countertops looking brand new, like $1,000,000 when the job comes through. Decatur strong, we do it our way. Country soul with a trap rock sway. Buffing through beats, rhythm in the zone. When Truman's working, the shine's well known. Need electric solo slide. Snare rolls in slow. 808 808 hums while the spotlight glows. Client smiling, saying that's insane. From the wood to the stone, we change the game and we make it shine all day. 808 jumping while the guitars play. UV-Cure flash granite so clean, it's that Truman touch. Decatur dream, let it glow, let it roll. Feel that pride, country roots with a hip-hop vibe. Yeah, Truman ride, flows divine. Decatur, Georgia, time to shine. One day, one crew, one name. Truman, where the shine live forever.
All right, guys, we are done. My clients, Mr. and Mrs. Martin, since they are not here, I always send my clients pictures during the process. So they're very happy with what they've seen. Now they want me to give them a quote on the bathroom. So yeah, this is granite and it needs to be done. So floors came out great. I booked 2 jobs today, guys. One for this week, brand new floor. They got residue all over it. And I booked them for Thursday afternoon. So we have 2 projects Thursday. The Atlanta Women's Club that I do once a year. And then we'll have to shoot the Douglasville. And then they want a price on this right here. Yep. And yeah, so we got 2 Thursday, Friday. I had one for Saturday. Her painters are behind, so she rescheduled for next week. She wanted next Tuesday, but I'm already booked up through next Thursday. And then this one right here. All right, floors came out great. Our day is done. I did go do an in-home consultation, but it ended up being a sanding job. So I'm gonna have one of my network partners go take a look at it, Raphael, because they had water damage and the floors are crown very, very, very bad. And that's what a screen and recoat would not take care of. All right. Also, countertops came out amazing. There's not even a lot of light in here. And you can just see the reflection. Okay. All right, guys. Tomorrow we have one in Gainesville. It's a pine floor, an old pine floor. They want a screen recoat, do a little color correction. And I told my client, we took care of the little stain where they did some work on the elevators. Okay. Then we also did this foyer, those stairs and that foyer, and this room right here. All right, guys, that's going to do it. Heading back to the office. See you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.